I'm Miss Chelsey, and today I have something really fun to play with. Can you guess what it might be? Do you see what's in front of me here? What does this look like to you? That's right, they're railroad tracks. And what goes on a railroad track? Trains! That's right. Let me see if I have some trains laying around to play with. Whoa! Check out these two trains. I have a black train and a red train. Should we put them on the track? Great. Let's see. Put that train there. And look, they click together. Whoa! That's pretty cool. Should we make the train go all the way around the track? Choo choo! Chugga 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 chugga. Whoa! The train's going all the way around the track. So cool. I wonder what else I might have that we can play with the trains. Let's see. What I have here looks like a tunnel for the trains to go through. Let's put it on the track and see if we can make our train go through the tunnel. Ready? Choo choo! Chugga 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 chugga. Watch out, I'm coming through the tunnel. Whoa, the train went through the tunnel. Choo choo! I wonder what I could do to make it feel more like a real train conductor. I have an idea. I'll put on my train hat. I even have a train whistle. Whoa, now it sounds like a real train is going by. Chugga, 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 chugga. Choo, choo. Can you say that with me? Chugga, 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 chugga. Choo, choo. Now I'm going to put this bridge on the train track. Whoa, now our train can go over the river. Ready? Let's go. Chugga, 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 chugga. Choo, choo. Chugga, 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 chugga. Over the bridge. Whoa. Choo, choo.
Thanks for playing with me.